and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. PM Narendra Modi to lay foundation stone of 3rd Mandovi Bridge on 14th June to meet 7,000 BJP workers and VIPs. First visit to any state after becoming PM. Goa's environment and forest-related issues will be amicably resolved. Union Environment Minister Javadekar assures Team Parrikar in Delhi meet. Sea cages at Palane Beach wash away. Pre-monsoon showers sweep away government's ambitions of fish breeding. Department says all is well and precautions taken. Two persons die in two separate accidents on Tuesday. Minor schoolgirl dies after she comes under the wheels of a bus in Madgaon. And Brazil continues to make news for wrong reasons. Team Argentina arrives with potential to spoil Brazil's World Cup party. Now the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay foundation stone for the 3rd Mandovi Bridge during his Goa visit on 14th June. Sources reveal that the bridge will be constructed between the two existing bridges at the cost of around 355 crores. Prime Minister will also inaugurate the flying deck-like shore-based test facility for naval aircrafts at the INS Hansa on the same day. Later, PM Modi will address around 7,000 BJP Karyakartas, followed by a meeting of high-profile personalities of the state.
Goa is lucky for Narendra Modi. Even after taking over as Prime Minister, Narendra Modi has chosen Goa to kick off his journey of development. Goa is the first state Modi will visit as PM on 14 June. Prime Minister will also inaugurate the flying deck-like shore-based test facility for naval aircrafts at the INS Hansa on the same day. Later, PM Modi will lay foundation stone for the 3rd Mandovi Bridge. State BJP is busy at present, preparing for a roaring welcome to PM Modi. BJP Working Committee met on Tuesday. Chief Minister Manor Parrikar, BJP State President Vinay Tendulkar, MLAs and Karyakartas were present for the meeting. Prudent attempted to check the proposed 3rd Mandovi Bridge plan. Have a look at the graphics of the proposed bridge. 3rd Mandovi Bridge will be cable-stayed and much higher than other two bridges. It will be constructed from Porvorim to Mershe. Modi will address around 7,000 BJP Karyakartas. This mega meeting will be held at Taligaon Indo Stadium. Modi will also meet high-profile personalities from Goa. These include doctors, industrialists, engineers and journalists.
Shama Prasad Mukherjee Stadium asa indoor. थंय हो कार्यक्रम जावपाचो आसा आनी गोंयचे कार्यकर्ते 40 मतदारसंघातले हांकां ते सादारण 1 तास मार्गदर्शन करतले आनी मागीर सादारण 6:30 पर्यंत ते गोंयांत आसतले. सगळे बिझनेसमॅन आयले म्हणजे प्रोफेशनल आयले, प्रेसांतले आयले किंवा बांदकाम क्षेत्रांतले डॉक्टर, इंजिनियर्स, वकील अशे सगळे क्षेत्रांतले जाणकार मंडळी कडे त्यांचे वार्तालाप जाता.
देशाचो प्रधानमंत्री गोंयांत येता आनी पर्रीकारान सांगप कितें हें बरोबर म्हाका दिसना. हें देशाच्या प्रधानमंत्र्यांच्या तोंडान आयकलें जाल्यार ताका डबल हें मेळटलें न्हय. हांवें विशय मांडल्या, प्रपोजल मांडल्या. तो हांगा येतलो न्हय, तो इट इज द फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम आउटसायड दिल्ली, सो इट हॅज एन सिग्निफिकन्स. दिल्ली भायलो पयलो प्रोग्राम ताणें गोंयाक दिला, त्यामुळे तुमी ताज्याच तोंडांच्यान गोंयच्या संदर्भांतलें आयका.
Chief Minister Manor Parrikar met Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Tuesday. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Government's ambitious open sea cage aquaculture project at Palane could not sustain pre-monsoon showers and the gusty winds. 3 sea cages out of 4 installed swept ashore Palane Beach last night. Councillor Dayanand Pagi has slammed Fisheries Department of being negligent in taking necessary precautions. Fisheries Director claimed that they are taking such precautions and moving them out of the sea before the onset of monsoon.
Fisheries Minister had launched this ambitious open sea cage project in the last November. Altogether, department has procured 50 sea cages. but few were installed at Palole, Pole and Tarpana. 4 were installed at Palole, but an initial pre-monsoon showers and gusty winds have swept away 3 kgs off the Palole shore. Local councillors slammed Fisheries Department.
मग हे नुस्त्याचे पिंजरे
हे नुस्तें हे गव्हर्मेंट जाल्यार फिशरी डिपार्टमेंटाचे नुस्तें पोसपाचे पिंजरे आनी ही जबाबदारी कितें तुफान जावचे पयले हे पिंजरे काडून सेफ करून दवरपाचे ही ऑफिसरां जबाबदारी आसता पूण आयज पयले पडोन आहा पळय हिंगेक आहा पळय तो 1 2 3 हे पिंजरे सगळे विचार पडोन हांव मागता ह्या ऑफिसरा फुडें ताबडतोब ह्या वर्सा कित्याक करोडान रुपया हे स्पेंड करून हे प्रोजेक्ट दिसता म्हाका.
Meanwhile, Fisheries Director has claimed that sea cages are being moved out of sea considering onset of monsoon and rough weather. Director claims of taking all the necessary precautions to save and preserve the sea cages for next season.
This season, the cage open sea cage culture project, we have the duration is over now because now the sea is also very rough. So we were doing it at Pole. Pole already the cages have been brought on hard. So 3 have now come on hard at Palole beach. Okay, so that is already been brought up and tied and kept for the next season. So the barrels also will be dismantled and kept in a proper place to store it now. So once the weather gets better, they will engage a vessel and pull it on hard.
Pole काढले होते, half cages काढले, थोडे काढपा उरले होते हे साइड. So त्यो आता rough sea जाल्लो आता, so तेका लागून ते आयले. ते जो game dismantle करून परत दवरले आता. There is no loss incurred for it, nothing. All the fishermen are happy those who have put. Now we are getting more demand. So next season I am sure we'll get more fish.
This project has started yielding fish like Chonak and Morso. Goikars have tasted this fish in past couple of months at much cheaper rate compared to the open markets. But with the recent incident, it's sure that Fisheries Department's ambitious sea cage culture project can't yield during the monsoons. Babesh Borkar from Kankon and Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Issues related to environment, forest and other issues via mining in Goa will get an amicable solution. Union government is positive about it. Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar said this after meeting Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar and his team in Delhi on Tuesday morning. Chief Minister was accompanied by Mines Department officials, Finance Secretary and the Advocate General.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar met Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar on Tuesday morning. Parrikar discussed mining, forest-related issues, CRZ issues and Western Guard reports with Javadekar. Union Environment Minister Prakash Javadekar termed suggestions by Goa CM as innovative. Minister has assured amicable solutions to all the issues raised by Parrikar. Javdekar's tweet on a social networking website Twitter gives a ray of hope for the state, which is at present reeling under multiple financial crises. Finance Secretary Krishnamurthy, Advocate General Atmaram Nadkarni and Mines Director Prasanna Acharya accompanied CM Parrikar during his meeting with Javdekar in Delhi.
गोवा के जो भी बर्ड सेंचुरीज और बाकी सब प्रश्न और माइनिंग के जो इश्यूज थे, इसकी पूरी चर्चा की। पर्यावरण की रक्षा के साथ साथ गोवा के विकास को अवरुद्ध न किया जाए और अवरुद्ध न होते हुए भी पर्यावरण की कैसे रक्षा होगी, इसके लिए बहुत इनोवेटिव सॉल्यूशंस, इनोवेटिव सुझाव गोवा के मुख्यमंत्री जी ने दिए हैं। उनके सुझावों पर बहुत सकारात्मक तरीके से पर्यावरण मंत्रालय काम करेगा और पर्यावरण की रक्षा के साथ साथ गोवा के विकास का मार्ग भी अवरुद्ध नहीं होने देगा और प्रशस्त करेगा, यह हमारा निर्णय है।
एनवायरमेंटाचेर जाला, एनवायरमेंटाचे सगळे विशय आमी चर्चा केली। ताज्या नंतर तांच्यांनी म्हणजे ताज्यो फर्दर हे करपाक म्हाका एक अशें दिसता की साधारण म्हयन्याभरा भितर इको सेन्सिटीव झोन म्हणजे ताका बफर लेयर म्हणटा पळय, हांव कस्तुरीरंगन उलयना, कस्तुरीरंगन नाव इज probably 6 months later, nothing before that, proper हे केल्या शिवाय बफर लेयरच्या संदर्भात फुडल्या म्हयन्या भितर सगळें कितें तें हें जातलें। म्हणजे हांवें सगळे विशय एक 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 करून ताका लक्षांत हाडून दिल्या। अरे सजेशन्स म्हणजे थंय डिपार्टमेंटान काही लोकांच्यो चुकीच्यो कल्पना आसा, चुकीचे मिसलिडींग हे दिताले ते वी शोड देम द हे ऑफिसर्स आहा पळय तांच्या बरोबर आमी विशय मांडटा आसतना ऑफिसरांक योग्य जाग्यार कशें कोर्टाचें डिसिजन आसा कायद्यान खंयचे बसता, लॉ कायद्या प्रमाणे खंयचे बसता आनी कोर्टान कितें सांगलां आनी गोंयचो इंट्रस्ट खंय येता, ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली आमी तांकां लिंक करून दाखयल्या. सो ताजें जातलें फुडें. म्हणजे इट वॉज व्हेरी पॉझिटिव्ह अँड फ्रुटफूल डिस्कशन. पयल्या रावंडाक सगळे निर्णय सोमते कितें सायन मारतलो ते, त्यामुळे ते आतां संदर्भान एक आमची लॅटरां वतली, जे कितें आमी उलयलां ते. 2 दीस हांव जे पळय बसलां जाल्यार म्हाका दिसता एक 30 लॅटरां तरी वेगवेगळ्या खात्यांक वतली. 2 ड्राफ्ट नोटिफिकेशनां. गाडगीच्या संदर्भान ऑलरेडी मिनिस्टरान स्टेटमेंट दिला की आपूण सगळो कंप्लीट रिविजीट करतलो, सगळ्या स्टेटींक परत कॉन्फिडन्सान घेतलो, प्रोसेस ठरयतलो ताजी आनी ताजे नंतर ताजेर निर्णय जातलो. सद्या हाजेर निर्णय जावचो ना, कारण प्रत्येक स्टेटीन अत्यंत 4400 गांवां भितर ते केल्या जाल्यार भितर इन्क्लूड जातले आनी प्रत्येक स्टेट इज रेजिंग स्ट्रॉंग ऑब्जेक्शन्स. सो प्रत्येक स्टेटीक म्हणजे कन्सल्ट करून ताजो प्रोसेस ठरोवन मागीर ताजेर कितें तो निर्णय जातलो. ड्राफ्ट नोटिफिकेशन ड्रॉप करपाची गरज ना. ड्राफ्ट नोटिफिकेशनाचेर हो प्रक्रिया चालू केली की ती प्रक्रिया पूर्ण करून मागीर हें करपाचें.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.